welcome to the Culture Convo podcast, the upcoming of greatness. Dango.
Gents, boys and girls, you know who it is. It is Jack the MC, Jay the host, Jay the presenter, but most importantly, Jay the number one guy when it comes to entertainment. And welcome back to another episode of Culture Convo podcast. I'm sure it is the 38th episode, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, and I'm here with...
What up, fam? It's your boy, Chris Wakafanyaza. Yeah, man, that's it.
Yeah.
Yo, Bafetu, it's just Hash.
Yeah, it's just yeah, we are back with another episode. We are here to actually sort this new out. There's a lot that is happening on the internet. There's a lot that is happening around us. So just here, just to clear the air and actually voice out some things.
Lima around us.
Like socially.
Oh.
No, like socially.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, and also I would like to actually make a shout out to Kaya Kulu clothing. Kaya Kulu from house for always gifting us with the clothes. There's a blue thingy, a blue jersey that I like to wear. Kaya Kulu. So make sure to visit their page on Facebook at the Forum House just to check the prices. And I do promise you it's quality. Shout out to Jeko Entertainment for the Nga clothing. Kaya Kulungu Culture Con. Thank you so much, guys. And don't forget to go and watch Glimpse and Glam episode Diabo in Pumila on Thursday. Yes, things got fire. Mr. Chris has featured. Things got fire.
Was there?
Yo, Mr. Chris.
Tune in.
Things got fire really quick, but guys, we are here to actually share some things with you. So now let's get it. Yes. How are you, Mr. Chris?
Hey, Fetu, I'm good, man. I'm
Yeah.
good. Nothing much. Man. I'm just good. I'm happy Ubandi Avuka every day with. Yeah.
Yes. And how are you, Mr. Hash?
Sibulele vuka tikela.
What are we telling at this batala Dia Bulela Uvuka now?
It's not sure say, bra ngefika ku July.
Ngafika lo nyaka as a whole.
Ngathi uzabe lapha uwe kuthiwa hayi Hash.
Is no more.
Akasekho.
Ngiyibona ke.
Yo andingalwa.
Ungalwa.
Andingalwa ndifuna ubuya.
Ungalwa lo.
Ba no fun ndingalwa ndifuna ubuya.
Ufune ubuya.
Yo wherever phosi yakhona xa ufile ndingalwa ndifuna ubuya mina yo.
Do you feel like and yes, one also I feel like people do fear death, but they do not know what's going on. Mhlawumbe sipholile, mhlawumbe you are just free. Now the thing is, kobo msuko things this is phones are getting loud.
Niyazibelieve ke kwezaways uzo heaven and hell.
And I don't know what to believe, but andiyazi.
Inzima, but I'm a Christian so
You do
ngathi
believe.
ngiyazibelieve.
And also, last time I feel like it has to do with beliefs to go to believe in because you might actually believe what is called as nyanya, but actually you might believe it's because of you prayed, but this is that will going to happen eventually.
But no believer kuyo uyayibona tathe kuba okay actually ikhona
Iyasebenza.
Yeah.
and yakusebenzela.
So
Bakhona moments where you feel like no man this is into benithandazele.
Yeah, so uyayibona it actually happens so okay.
So yeah, man.
Thixo khona nyana.
yes, without any further ado, there's a post that is trending. Ka Siyabonga. I don't know if I ndilibele. Got DJ Chad from the King Town.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to read the post. I'm just looking for it. Isn't it just getting fire on social media?
Hey.
They're getting fire, and people are thinking of abanye abantu kuthiwa hey ingathandi nguwe bakubani.
Yeah.
Ipost ifuna ngobunjalo bayo. I will not put any filter on it. Ifuna ngobunjalo bayo. So now it enye yes DJs, yes upcoming DJs zalapha eKing ijikele emva kwam ifuna le gig ithi ine ideas zalento and ngayenza grand kunam wes ndayincanywa landwana yola light sobathi nabaya opep nomabhovula oboxer but ifuna ukhupha mna apha. So let me just give you a feedback okanye a background of kwenzeka ntoni apha.
Yeah.
So DJ Chat has live streams in store nesports Yes, sports next to Williamstown.
Yeah.
So now whereby he gets to DJ, he gets to don't install.
Yeah.
You know, I've seen some of the videos on TikTok under sports in John account.
Yeah.
So now kukho loo nto njalo. Uthi DJ Chat, khona enye DJ yalapha eKing ejikele emva kwakhe. Ejikele emva kwakhe
Akayixelwa ngubani?
ayikaxelwa ngubani.
Who are you?
Well, because now about it's a matter of just pointing fingers. But for
Yeah.
But what if now I'm not shying away from anything. Ne?
Yes.
But what if now DJ Chat uyiva kakbi? What if mhlawumbe umjita akazama uyiba but he's just pushing like passing through ilenduza ideas.
Yeah.
But then ke ukuyena mhlawumbe DJ Chat uyibona as if ingathi umjita
Negative wing.
uzama
enemy yakhe.
yebo. So
Yes,
it could be londo leyo.
Yeah,
But it could be that at the same time umjita uyaziba
Uyaziba
yeah
ideas.
uyamstepa in the back. Yeah.
Hey, it's bad. Yes.
See, like he's thetha ngayo Mr. Chris.
Yeah.
If DJ Chat nalo mna thetha ngaye. Bayazana. And bayathetha ngezigigs zabo. Yebo. If lo mjita uyayazi akho semna wrong.
Yeah.
Yebo. But if ke bengayazi beziphushela into yakhe, then andiboni into wrong.
No, I feel like because I feel like the Lord DJ Chilangaye, uyayazi because like in the poster it's made of football dating and the
Yeah.
poster April House.
Sure.
Yebo. So yiloo nto yinto eyaziwayo. So definitely uyayazi. But I did speak with one of my friends. Obesithi yena iPOV yakhe. Uthi this was not the way supposed DJ Chat atake ngakhona. There is
Yeah.
no need for him to actually post on Facebook
Yeah.
to actually just like to address into enjalo. Iske
Yeah.
wamiyeka lo DJ or something like
Yeah.
that. But I do not know but what on umjita wam also iPOV zabantu different aba.
Yeah.
Umjita wam ba now uzama okanye DJ Chat is speaking on behalf of ezinye artists that this specific
I've
DJ
heard
abe
Oh yeah. So maybe it could be that he's speaking on behalf of abanyo DJ abakhe behlelwa zinto ezinje.
Yeah.
Yabo, babelwa zi-ideas.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Now there's also a screenshot from East Theatres esithi ba I hope ukhona no DJ onjalo apha eDimbaza.
Hey.
Yo.
Our
Yes.
local.
Awapha local ikhona eyalapha eDimbaza edume ngalonto. Hopefully ayiyo Chat.
Thankfully, I
wanna
wanna
ban
go
game.
ban like
So now and yes, things are tough. Things are tough. I can't even call DJ Chat just to actually clarify a lot because it will be more of like we're exposing the guy.
yeah.
Yeah.
So amagama aphumile on Facebook bakhe ngubani ayinguwena banibani ayinguwena boy lutho.
You khawuveze
ayinguwena
wona.
banibani, ayinguwena- You see, that's the people are just pointing fingers
Yeah.
at this point. And also so I do believe you said ikhona into eyenzeka on social media.
Yeah, and ndithenza scroll up I saw a post ye Nkosi Uyinza.
Yes.
Yeah, I saw a post.
Back at it.
And as usual interested masikwenza zakho zomjita rap. So
Yeah.
now listening kulena ikhuphileyo I can see actually he's dissing umuntu apha.
Yeah.
He's dissing umuntu apha. I was like,
Yeah.
hayibo. So I was like, hayibo iphelile nje ibeef yakhe no cheesy.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah.
So ngoba ngokulo.
No, yeah.
So I think it was yesterday.
Yes.
I saw ke eka OO
Yeah.
normal OO kanye ngo
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I saw inandoza yakhe naye edrope into. Yebo.
Yes.
So I think now it's aligning cause I think baya beef.
It's highly possible because I did now see possible so you two decent back to back.
Yeah.
I don't but I do have like a good feeling of actually just calling Nkosi Uyinza.
Golenduza aba go not like us balaphekas.
Yes, well, not like us Balaphekas.
Yabo.
And also speaking about the beef.
Ngubani nyani ngubani uzokhupha not like us ke ngoku. Go not like us balaphekas lo.
Yeah, man.
But you are like ingasendiya noba ngubani ke ukuqala phi.
That's the thing.
I don't know. King uNkosi Uyinza
Yeah.
was doing your lives.
Yeah.
As a lives zakhe. So actually there's that song we no team yo cheesy.
Yeah.
andilebele gama lakhe ifuna
I think
ntoni
ufuna ntoni
ufuna
ufuna bani
ya laa ngoma yabo. So unkosi uwinza actually was commenting on ii-verses zabantu phaa uba okay actually lo no uwork lo
uwork.
ya lo unjani. So I think iqale phaa ke ngoku yabo.
Yabona bayalentuzana ke oku. Bayadisrespectana kuyo yonke lo
And
way.
it's bad ke ngoku because do we take it as ba is being cocky okanye umjija just xela inyani xa?
I don't know, we could say
It's a matter of that.
In between being cocky plus no xelinyana at the same
Yeah.
time. It's
Yes.
like it's a matter of xela side lakho.
Yeah.
Athethe yakhe into.
Ithethe
axelise-
yakhe into,
yabo.
yeah,
And also at the same time kule nto ithethayo uba uthi awubani work. Well, it's iyafana nalo nto uba he's someone trying to prove omnye wrong.
Wrong.
Yeah.
Ezinjalo uba nani ke I can lay this on. Yabo.
But
I
also
can spit some bars.
I feel like always beef it is good for the game.
Yeah,
Because now
yeah,
it keeps
yeah.
one motivated in you know what, let me do more, let me do
Yeah.
more, I'm just trying to call these guys akekho nomnye uphendulayo
Yes,
try to call
ibhefeni nayo.
leluka andiyazi ku-team is just ringing akekho nomnye uphendulayo
Nathi as a culture convo masifumane podcast esizodisana nayo. Yabo.
buda
Ndifuna udisa abantu.
Ushap.
Yabo.
Okay, sorry ushap ndimnandi man know you're live kwi-podcast yona ta yam we just want to clear izinto up ne
Sure.
yeah ungoyiki akho nto ingako we saw i-distrack yakho to yesterday sifuna uqonda mani ithini la distrack, who's dissing who up kwenzeka nto because we also saw eka nkosi uHintsa so kubani oqala ibeef
The distract yesterday.
yeah
Nah, I don't do distracts, bro.
okay so like la recycling bin it's a message distrack
Nah, la recycling ibikade dala ngirekhodile. That's why ndithe recycling bin.
okay
Oh.
so now give the
Yeah.
yeah so wayikhupha
Yeah, so and they cover because you done. So I just went on it.
okay so I just want to clear the air andiyazi man the ilinduka apha i-suspicions ukuthi unkosi uHintsa udisa wena yinyani le
Yeah. I saw that.
so badisa wena so ngubani uqala ibhifa nyanya nguye okanye nguwe what happened man hey
Hey, bro. Hey, it's too much.
it's too much friend.
I mean, it's about a song, but I don't want to uthetha yonke into while ndingayazi uba why nam at the same time. But xa ndifumanikisa
yeah
uthi I'm the one who took shot first.
yeah
Yeah. Khona Churchill's Down, which is the first time that I did.
yeah
Yeah, uthi ndiyena thatha i-shots phaa. I don't know whether yena uzithatha as engumntu uba mhlawumbi undinqena yena xa echawukile or because uthathela line wathi I'm the one who's taking shots to him.
hey hey, it's confusing in the game bro
Yeah,
because
it's very confusing.
because I thought you guys were cool. I saw you guys performing together. So natomba yonke into imnandi. Now you're beefing. Hey bana.
I'm not beefing, yabo?
Yeah.
Exactly. It's just like that. Now I thought we cool.
Okay. No man, thank you Mr. Thank you Mr. Timmy.
Okay, ngozi.
Sure.
Hi, it's confusing.
It's confusing.
So now it's a matter of uba
Bakuzanya
la
ukuphosisa
majita le nto
ngoku.
bayenza beyazi just to gain fame okanye they are really beefing.
To gain
Highly
momentum
possible.
kwi-careers zabo into ezinjalo.
Highly possible. Angeyazi.
Ah,
And then ndimfuna ukuyenza don't you have minutes? Okay. Because the thing is as you guys heard ukuthi bengisithi no I saw them this other day ku-event kaFrank bephuma beyi-two
Bephuma
sharing the stage together
Yeah.
kwisilonto sikankosi uHintsa so now I'm confused xa bedisana omnye uthi and Miss I think uthi naye nguteam othrowa ii-shots qala
yeah.
I mean,
hayi
they could have put aside their differences for a moment later.
yeah
And then
And
after
then
ke
it's-
ukula
it's
performance,
deep
then
when
they were
apart.
back at it. Yabo as a way.
Because la majita xa ndibamamele oyi-2 mna
yeah
Yeah.
now omnye when a rapper he's claiming uba okay apha ekasi ndimo
Nguye
omkhulu,
Nkosi.
yabo so nomnye xa irapper is claiming uba hayi ndimo omkhulu yabo
Damn.
so andiyazi maybe
they're going for the They're fighting for the chair.
Yeah.
ucebe maningene nami yabo
Yabo.
Now this. Yeah.
maningene nami yabona babone siba who the king is
Yes.
yabo
And actually speaking about abantu abadisanayo, even Opal Legend and Flash, bayadisana. Things
Yeah,
are fire
eh,
because
eh,
of
what's
it.
going on nje
Yeah, there's a
What
lot
the hell is
going on.
going
I
on?
know
There's a
Opal Legend
lot.
and Flash, dala bene beef. Kudala
Akudala.
bene beef, kudala bene beef.
Akudala.
Hopefully I end up with ngegazi. Uyabo. Mr. Chris, you have something to share?
Hey guys, it's Miss B, the sweetest and finest honeybee island, sweetest one in the beehive. I'm here with my
Suka.
Otoku. Otokukazi. I'm Alpha Osino of Your Mercy. Choosing the problematic mom, the only lady that got plenty of ginger and spice.
Ginger, no?
And ginger and spice.
I love it.
And we got some pretty exciting news for you guys. So take it away, my babe.
Betunani. Gemasi Culture Convo Network. We're dealing strictly with interviews and also Nanzi Juice. We have a twist. If you promote your business, yako,
Yeah.
kindly hit us on Facebook. Pofu. Wait, we've got some details on the screen.
Of course.
We'll be there to help you out. Love yours.
And don't forget to pray, believe, and live, guys.
Yeah. What up, fams? We are back. Yeah, bo. So, okay, there's something that I wanted to talk about. Yeah, bo, TikTok, yes, izinto.
Yes.
And then I think I remember I saw a post there. I want us to talk about how times have changed. Yeah, bo. And how children are being raised now compared to how we guys were raised. Yeah, bo. So how do you think about young alone though and everything has changed? Because I would say I do think technology has contributed to how abantwana are being raised right now compared to how we were raised. Because technology I back then, but then it wasn't much.
Yeah.
Yabo? Because ingxelo endibonayo ngoku is that back then thina sasifakwa imbama thina bawuva yabo ufakwa inqindi but ngoku uvela umntana uvela axuthwe ifowuni
Kuke sasilipas saziyo uba siyajula.
olazi
Siyafika
ibhanti
kuwe.
baliyangena kuwe so into endibona is that umntana woku like uvela axuthwa ifowuni xa kuthiwa makajonge edongeni okanye makame ekoneni.
Yeah.
Makayidlala erumini.
Exactly, bruh. So do you think igrand le nto yangoku? I'm not saying abantwana like mababethwe umntana makabethwe but then like iba nendlela yombetha.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yabo. So how do you guys feel about izinto zitshintsha ngoku?
No. Yes, actually.
Because ingxaki I feel like yabona ngoku izinto ziya advance ngoku.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a technology. In the next few years, what if kuzobakho irobot ezokukholisela umntana akho ke ngoku? Things
Abanga.
exactly, bruh. Ngoku kuzobakho irobot ekukholisela umntana ngoku wena uhambe. Uzawuphuma uye kwi-vacation ushiye umntana akhe ekukhuliswa yi-robot. So
Yeah. Highly possible. I feel like generations as time goes generations ziyahluka. Bear in mind generation ka-1990 ntondoni it's different from generation ka-2000
yeah.
because now ukubona abazali bethu they were raised ngolunye uhlobo because abazali baka-1990 ntondoni.
Yeah. 1980.
So nathi ke ngoku the 2000s banabantwana babo baka-2010 so abantwana baka-2010 batshintshile ngoku from indlela because nathi we have changed indlela esibona ngayo izinto. So I do support your statement about social media and technology does contribute to actually us raising abantwana because now we're just checking online ukuthi umntana xa sinento ethile what should I do?
Yeah.
Xa umntana egeza just xotha ifoni yakhe xa umntana egeza umbukelisa ubhingo xa umntana engafuna ulala umbukisa into entoni because social media is contributing to loo nto.
Yeah.
And ngokusasikhula thina kwakuthiwa uba awunabuthongo okanye awukazilala kuthiwa uyolala ulila
Yeah.
uvele uyazi uba hayi mandilale ngoku
Mandilale.
kanti ngoku umntana uvele abukelisa ukhokhomeloni ade
okanye
ozele
izakubethi zakubetha unolila
bethu khali nto yazi
bethukhala into yazi
bethu khali nto
Yabo,
yazi
ezo nto ngoku azikho guys
Yeah,
like
but
and our parents
they-
never said sorry. That's also a contributing factor as to why Tina see as hardened, like
Yeah.
see grand,
Yeah.
Yeah.
how to keep it in check.
Yeah.
Tina, we say sorry to our kids and it means are soft, you know.
Yeah.
We believe in this gentle parenting thing.
Hell
no. Yeah.
Izinto besenziwa
Yeah.
emntaneni wam.
Benza
That's a
kutheni,
very
Mr. Hirsch?
contributing-
Bezawuthatha kuloo nto yabo
Oh.
then Chris wena ngokubetha umamakho
Eh.
akungxolise ukhala uthini laa nto kuwe ayonto buyithanda
Yeah,
Yabo.
for sure.
ayonto buyithanda so andiqondi uba umntana akho ungafuna like umkhulisa olaa hlobo
How do
nawe
you think ndicane ndizobakhulisa njani abe nabantwana?
No, mna I'm a very strict individual.
Yabona?
I always say ukuthi I want a wife ozoba soft
Yeah.
and intombi yami soft one.
Mm.
So I do believe
Ivezani intombi yami soft.
hey hey
But yeah.
so mna personally as a Chris ndizoba ngutata or strict but also utata that is loving and utata that is actually taking care of your feelings abantwana bakho.
Yeah.
Now I'll just open that space of you can speak to me nantoni na. I just want umntana ayazi uba okay anditsibi ngapha komda othenteni. She has to know ukuba utata kayifuna into ethile.
Yeah.
I do not take ububhanqa xa ingeyiyo
Hey.
yena ngomso
yeah
and loo nto izokukhabisa ngam.
Hayi.
yini
But no, ndiyakuva. I do think I'm gonna be a very soft dad.
Yeah,
Yo,
you
Mr.
seem
Chris,
like a
yo.
soft dad.
Andizoba soft, especially if I have umntana oyintombazana. I will not play about. I will like it's
But
gonna get to a
yeah.
point, but then I will not play about with my
that's why
baby.
funeka ufumane umfazi
Yeah,
yeah yeah
umfazi oqinileyo.
Umfazi. because at the end of the day umntana ufuneke ebethiwe yena xa
Ewe,
igeza
just
hayi
actually
makabethwe xa igeza
teach her okanye him a lesson.
yeah
Hey mama, kwenza ntoni apha?
What the
Mr.
hell?
Chris Mr. Chris
But you are like ingxaki andifuni umntana andonqene or some shit like that. Ibhile.
Ibi. Yes. President.
Nice deep
But you,
So yeah, speaking about technology, I can see on TikTok, people bangena indaba bangazifuniyo. There's a case yokwaluka that is trending on TikTok, the initiation school.
yeah
People are just sharing views zabo whereby zibangangeni khona.
yeah
Because
are these people also Xhosa okanye it's just people nje?
just people.
yeah bayageza
So bangena into abangazaziyo
And,
for sure.
and most it's females,
oh
unfortunately. Sadly, unfortunately, because le ndaba iqale when Peanuts came from initiation school, man. You get now abantu they mistake the problem of us identifying izinto wrong with that were done ekuphumeni kaPeanuts in terms of but thina simonyela iPeanuts thina sikhwelisa isintu more than anything. Amantombazana are just defending Peanuts because they are
Peanuts ngibani kanani?
Peanuts kenye
Yenye
intwana
intwana manedrayivayo.
Oh, I think bendiyibonile namhlanje.
Yeah.
ufana we-contract.
Yeah.
That's him.
8 years.
8 years
Yeah.
is up.
Zep.
So I'm not personally yandidika la ndiyandonyanyisa because
Yeah.
now it's like simonyela uPeanuts ngobukrwala. We asikwazi manje uPeanuts bukrwala but it comes to mind ukuba damn kwasebhayi so baqhuba isibhayi highly possible so asiya izinto there's indlela esimodern baqhuba ngayo esibhayi
Yeah.
kuso but nathi kude izindlela esiqhuba ngayo.
Yeah.
There are things of bakhona amaformana are serious but that are speaking facts that you can't be ulikrwala utsibatsiba.
Ukwazi.
There's a period
Damn.
whereby uzila ngako
Exactly, whereby you maintain istima
Yeah,
sakho, like
yeah.
you like get down to earth, and
Eh,
then
well,
kuzoba khona i-period yoba whereby ungayenza ke into ufuna
Yeah.
uzenza, but then
also simonile ngelento kathina nge-content. He can do i-content elikrwala ehloniphile. You can't be zapping kodwa inxibe into zobukrwala.
Zep emnqayini. Njani?
Njani?
Dang.
Njani?
dang.
You get, so I feel like people are just getting izinto bangazaziyo and females bengathi ba-attack ngoba bayazithanda izinto. Females bangena kwiindaba ezingabafuniyo because I do not know why suddenly they have so much
To
to
say.
say about
Yeah.
ukwaluka, so much to say
I
about
think part of it coming from
Bukrwala.
a protective sense,
No.
and also
Ndifuna uba a bit controversial. As a female, ne?
Yes.
And I know other females is about the pick me. It's fine. All hlobo uti abangendawo kwinto yenu namadoda. You know, because into yolwaluko and such. Mama kwapha endlini omalume bathethela
Yes.
Le.
Of course.
Yeah.
yebo,
As it should be.
you know?
Yeah.
Omama bangendawo baba bayazi indawo yabo. Yebo. So nami ndikhule ndiyazi ba it's a very sacred thing. Into ezenzeka pha zezamadoda zifunini.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try indoda ezawuvele ke ngoku iba ivele izazi zonke ezenzeka maternity ward. Yebo. Xa intombazana phaya intombi yakho mhlambi kuthiwe ibe pregnant iyobeleka and such. Men are not there. Men are very restricted ba mangene phaya. Into abelungu bamadoda angene. But from a blackness type of sense.
Yeah. Men are
amadoda
not
awangeni.
allowed, exactly.
Yes, sure.
yeah.
Awahlomli. Kwakunto ba hayi pregnancy yami ibinjani kwathi indoda
Uyintoni
ayiphendula.
pregnancy?
You know,
Ngena.
yebo uyintoni kwi-pregnancy but try indoda ezawuphendula i-pregnancy izawukhawulezwa kuthiwe ngunopeyintana or khani mnikeni i-pad
Yes.
iyamenstruate you
Yeah,
know
yeah.
so ingasenani nifumana indlela yo-attack amantombazana because awangendawo
But
nyani
I think it's a matter of like how advanced things have gone, because like I feel like both genders are always deep in each other's business. Yabo le nto ithetha about
Yes.
amadoda nawo ufika
Ayakwazi
athe
ukuhlomla.
qhiqhiqhiqhi.
And
Same
the
goes
females
for amantombazi.
ziya-attack-a
Yabo
phaya.
amantombi enza ntoni ngoku. I think it's a matter of like lately izinto are very exposed ngoku
Yeah.
because of
Yeah.
technology. Like technology has exposed many things, and also how ngizawuthini na, how cultures ngoku are being exploited, like are being exposed ngendlela engacacanga.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, because I feel like a lot of things in coming to Lendo, there was a movie called Inqaba the Wound.
Yes.
And I feel
Oh,
like after
yeah.
that movie, a lot of things changed.
Yeah.
Because I feel like
Yeah.
that movie exposed that weren't meant to be
exposed.
seen. Yeah,
and,
bo.
and it's how they I could have understand where they were trying to
And
to,
he
to,
xolo
to,
ngokuqala
be
ne.
raw- to like sorry to raise awareness about izinto abantwana
Yeah.
bonzakala njani phayana.
Exactly.
They could have just went about it ngenye indlela.
Yeah. And coming to Lendo, ithetha about how like nowadays amadoda know what happens pha
Yeah.
I think I used to see coming to Lendo ndithetha about izinto ngoku because of technology are exposed.
Yeah.
I remember I used to see videos on Facebook. About Facebook akana filter.
No.
Yeah.
There used to be
Uselalini.
Yeah.
there used to be videos whereby they would like show the
Show
whole
you.
thing, like
Yeah.
xa intombazane izala. I think technology has, I don't know, man. It's sivezile too much.
And,
Yeah.
and
Out
I
in
could
the
have
open.
understood where social media tried to be educational in some point because at the end of the day we have male gynecologists.
Yes.
And
Yeah,
bengazuba
posting, yeah.
gynecologist engayazi ukuba
Uqhubeka
kwenzeka
ntoni,
ntoni.
yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
So there are men in certain careers that could have been for females. Yeah, and but I've never seen get a female kuthiwa ikhona phaya.
Phi?
Lo mcimbi
Hayi
wenu.
ke kwela obviously kwela cala, but ngoku
So-
coming to into health,
Yeah.
zikhona i-females ezikuba kwi-departments
Yes.
ze-males.
Eclinic, yes,
Yeah,
I
well,
know.
so
But also, I feel yes. I
Yeah.
feel like social media has given people too much
much
many
information.
space. Okay.
yeah.
Besides too much platform to actually speak in and for example, kukhona amakrwala ako TikTok. Andikhuqula izintwana. Khona amakrwala amatsha. Entwana whereby they are bazida ngesidoda ku TikTok.
Oh,
I
yeah,
feel
yeah.
like uMeta should block instantly abantu abanjela. There's some
Akayazi wazi into umetha ngesidolo.
but Tina, as people, as black people, we should actually take it and stand on
upon
against
ourselves,
Yeah.
ba into ezinje mazibenje nazo.
Yeah,
Oh,
I think
yeah.
our should be blocked from using TikTok. Should be blocked from actually posting such things. And actually, kukhona namantombazana that are exposing izinto eziphambeneyo ngostory time, but it must
Hey,
It was story time benu kuba mnandi, but then at the same time they
Amasikisi.
say so many
Abantu
things.
So many
babuziwe ba
things.
ii-secrets sizaba nazo na ezisizithatha
Ayasekho
to the
ngoku.
grave.
Azikho.
Azikho,
So
Yeah.
bendikhe ndabona nenye
Very-
comment kwenye post ithi these days ayisekho laa nto yoba I will take this secret to the grave.
Hayi, no.
hayi.
Yabona la imali like imali ngoku that we earn, especially ever since as like social
Monetization on TikTok.
yeah,
Yeah.
monetizations
Yeah.
and everything.
It's
Hey,
Yeah,
it's
ngoku-
permanent
Because
nyhani,
anything for content.
for content.
Yeah.
anything is for sale.
Nabo nako ulento kwakho umbona wakhe exhuzula okanye ibhuti yakhe exhuzula i-content manje mfowethu.
Content.
Hey guys, get ready with me.
Yeah,
Malume is
Fumela
having a
Joyce.
seizure. Oh my
Oh.
god. Yabo is away like
Yes, but
Uphi umalume nobomi bakhe ke?
uyaxhuzula umalume pha
just
uthi,
imagine.
guys, what do I do? Can tips for umalume xhuzula into ezinja. Yabo ngoku there's so much.
There's so much, and also I feel like speaking about it, I feel like there's a lot that we can discuss when it comes to social media.
Yeah.
But also, I just want us to actually discuss the rate of normalizing grooving every weekends, because now it's becoming the lifestyle.
Oh,
For
you-
example, apha eDimbazi,
You must take.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday,
Kwanamhlanje kubusy. Kubusy.
Lifestyle.
Monday, na Monday, busy. People are
Busy.
Akho mini bitheni. Akho mini bitheni. I think ukuwe ba.
By Sunday igroove.
groove.
Yeke by Sunday chill.
No, it's a groove. Kali.
Monday.
Monday.
So
Monday.
say
chill.
you by Sunday chill, Monday chill ngoku.
Yes. And also, then because I saw ile new man ka Mr. Chris on Glimpse and Glam.
Eh.
Enye clip yakhe pha ethetha about the influence of being a Dimbaza and actually just
You
being
need to-
influenced okanye etshona ngaphansi kwale mbembelezo lapha
Yeah,
lapha eDimbaza.
Yeah.
I always say, as umuntu that is up at Dimbaza and actually has vision and work to do, always live at Dimbaza ngathi awuphile eDimbaza.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because if ungahamba nje imini wena uyohlala phaa shop ukubukela how people operate, you'll see this is not life.
Yeah.
This is not life.
Ngabona tajeki enye into like abantu xa bekhula
Yes.
mostly after matric
Yeah.
there's a period umuntu athi okay ndifuna uzonwabisa
Yeah.
and uzonwabisa kwakhe
Imosha up.
Ibhodi.
ubutywala
It's not coming back.
Imosha up.
amantombi and then amantombi mhlawumbe ngamajita
Mhm.
yabo so bona bathi bana ola hlobo bayazonwabisa bona Yabo. But actually there are many ways ongazonwabisa
Onwabisa ngazo,
ngayo
yeah.
and ngoku laa nto yenziwa ngabantu abanintsi yabo.
Yes.
So into yenziwa ngabantu abanintsi iba ngathi
Iba ngathi
i-right
into e-right,
because
yeah.
yenziwa ngabantu abanintsi yabo.
Ba-
Kanti
hayi,
it's
nabantu
not
banayo.
always the case. It's not always the case.
Yes.
Ungumuntu you know into ekulungelayo wena.
Ingakulungeli.
Yabo. Yeah. And mostly peer pressure apply.
Yeah, I think that on coming to the little peer pressure, I think that la varsity culture, like la culture yesikolo away from home.
Yeah.
Yeah, influencer la
Yeah,
because
yeah.
mna I can tell you ukuthi yaqala when I went to college into yokugroover.
Yeah.
Because then like I do feel like the groove senimdala.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
you-
yeah.
so like yaqala when I went to college xa ndihlala ndodwa and realize ba akho mntu asekhaya apha
Akho
akho mntu
mntu
za-
ongqali.
exactly
You can do
Free.
whatever.
yabo laa nto yoba
Awuketshini.
of being far away from home yabo I think iyake-influence aba let me try out a few things and then ke xa uzitry a few things ezo ube addicted yabo
No, into endiyiqapheleyo ke ngoku kulo case yakho mostly ngabantu apha ngoku bukokweni uhlala endlini bungekho exposed kakhulu even kwa ii-friends zakho azikho nintsi
Yeah.
so xa ufika phaa ngoku uba exposed kwizinto ezininzi and ufuna
Exactly.
uzenza zonke ngexesha elinye which is wrong ke ngoku
and ingxaki uyaziphaphela lokho
Yeah.
and I think nalaa nto yodibana nabantu abatsha
yeah,
yabo wanting not to
We're
like
excited too much.
ewe yabo
Hence it's very important to actually as a human being just to explore things. You know that xa ufika emazweni
Yeah.
ungadunyelwa.
ingxaki mna I think at the same time ndandiyijaja like laa nto yoba usele ube usese-high school
Yeah.
okanye
Oh,
usese-primary
yeah.
andifuni ndandiyijaja nyani and I didn't even like it like laa nto uba bengumntana esikolo but then at the same time
Yosela no, it's
Say-
not.
But not yonke into ofuna experience
Yeah.
exactly
because you can see abantu umzekelo abaselayo kakhulu abanxilayo ba okay baphelela
Bahamba
phi
njalo,
mostly
yeah.
yeah so there's no need uba mna ngoku ndiyosela ndibe nje to know uba okay
Usela
ayikho
in-
yeah
yeah.
yabo you can actually see abantu aba ayikho grandma le so andingayi kweli cala
Yes, but also I do not want to speak as a kubona abantu bagxeka izinto. And but bayazenza. I don't want to say because it's a matter of
sizigroovists
just
nathi
yeah.
sizigroovists
Yeah, in the end of the day we
Yeah.
work.
yabo
We
yeah
work. We work.
wekuzwanga
And then what? And then kaloku we just chill kaloku
Ngithi abantu bake ngaphumi there are people abenza imali ngalanto. Oma Blue House, oma Tau
Yes.
benza imali ngalanto. Yabo.
I think lento
So some are winning, some are not.
yabona ngoku I feel like nezi trends zika-social media ziyasiphusha ngoku because kukho nezanto exactly yabo ufike kukho
Yeah.
ne-trends eziphambili nayo because mna ngoku ikhona i-trend endifuna uyizama kanye ngoku ngoDisemba zikhona eza trend ufumanise ukuba uyavela umuntu evideweni athi this is my first class of
I make an
ziyandihlekisa eza videos ezinjeya ufumanise umuntu athi this is my first class eza trends ezinjeya ziyayipromota ewe but still uyiphinde uyoziveza uyipisi
nalo mntu hamba naye uba yena akazuba phambili qala na
yo
uba yena phambili and then there's no video to shoot because now you just have to actually pay attention kuyo.
yeah well so I don't know man but kumnandi at the same time sometimes
Yeah.
mnandi like
Yeah.
exactly
Yeah.
If you know your limits.
yeah if you know yourself if you know ba
Yeah.
Let me go home.
Yeah.
manivele grew exactly
Yeah. Yeah. So ke ngoku sisithetha ngalento ye-groovist. We've seen amantombi amaninzi ngoku bayagroova.
Yes.
And eventually yofuneka sitshadile madoda.
yo
Yeah.
Yofuneka sitshadile madoda. So and siyayazi ke ngoku kula process yomtshato. Umfazi ufuneka noko isidima noko.
Asibambe.
And ke ngoku thina sabe sitshate i-groovist. Athi hayi ndifuna uphuma mna neetshomi zam iitshomi zam siyocelebrate hayi besitshatile siyocelebrate ntono yayibo.
I think low way ungakwa sathini na I think andiyazi mina abanzathi ungayistopa exactly
Yeah.
ningakwazi noyenza mos nalaa nto uvele uthi nibe zigroove noyithi nomntu wakho yabo but then decide uba masiye kugroove masivele sizithengele i-carback sizihlalela apha endlini yabo and watch some stuff then ke hayi ke kuske kube kuni xa niqhawukile ke nifuna uqhuba niphume nithini yabo but then I do think mna if I ever get married ndizawuba yiyo laa type leyo like and hopefully I get to find someone ozofuna ezaa nto ezinjeya exactly ndivele ndithi masizithele i-carback yabo sizihlalele yabo soyi-two
And when I'm saying it is very fortunate okanye very great xa ufumane ipartner that understands your vibe.
Yeah.
yabo
Because yabona zawethu nje cha andifuna ngathi.
ewe iba ngathi
Abona la
Hayi siba ngayi.
But yeah, the man of you nomntu wakho just understanding just like ubhanga no bra.
only understanding
Yeah,
each
Hey,
other
couple
Yabo,
guys.
Couple
exactly
guys,
Yeah.
you get
Guys.
understanding. Well, okay, no.
Mary not Jesus
Hello,
Jesus.
the
oh shit
Joseph utata
oh
kaJesus.
shit
Yes.
kalo Tajek umfazi wakho unetshomi
Yeah.
then kukho wena. Yebo. So naye funeka balance.
ungamsusa kutshomi zakhe umfazi wakho
No, ixhomekeke kuye loo nto.
You don't.
Mna I feel like
I wouldn't,
xa
but
relationships at some point there are people often uba cut off
Yeah, of course.
yeah
That's
in
what
order a
I'm
relation
thinking,
yeah in
cut
order
but then
in order a relationship isebenze kakuhle.
izoqhubekeka
Yabo,
yeah
because mhlawumbi ndikwi relationship utajeka uthi masiphume qho every weekend.
I would cut her off with her.
Masiphume. And ke ngoku
izawuba yi-ultimatum
yeah
Jack okanye umfazi
lesizincintisana
wakho.
akayithandi loo nto.
Exactly.
Yabo, so ivethi atajeka.
When cutting off, go.
but there's still a way that you couldn't cut him off uvele umxelele uba jonga bra kunje nanje nanje uyabo like usenongakwazi ungamkhathi off nyhani uvele
Yeah,
umxelele uba
not umkhatha off like
Ewe,
umkhatha off.
ewe,
but
umcela
umxelela uba
jonga
okay,
bra.
kukhulwe nje.
asukwazi everyday kaloku nditshatile.
But
yabo.
there's a friends zinga-understand kwaloo
Damn,
azothi
but
iphone uva ngentombi
Oh, uyabona ke lawe.
weak wena, yabo,
Uyabona ke lawe.
As a
Abanye
comments,
bathi
yeah.
bathi ufuna grade 4. So this is that comes with abantu ohlasa nabantu abangakufuniyo.
Yeah.
Yes, sizohlasa nabantu abangakufuniyo.
That's it.
No, I feel like it's a matter of just
Ikhona ufuna ithethe.
Hey, Ted, Sisukwegeleza, Ted, sibaba.
Sobe singakufuniyo. Damn.
So the husband, it's a matter of and also there's no method. It's a matter of just praying to find them.
Yeah.
Once you find I do believe in I think mental no sange. At the minute if ibhagazile London naye there's high possibility but ingaphinde ibe nayo onje ndifumana amavrawush and then
Yo.
just continue with injulas.
Yo.
Ingxaki lapho ke.
Yo,
It's
it's
deep.
ayifuneki into enjalo kungathi benguye. So
No.
make sure ba ubhatyazi lawe. Make sure
But
awubhatyazi.
only it takes two parties to actually make a relationship work, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Ungabhatyazi mina but abo
Eh.
the sad part. Ngabhlungu inhliziyo yami.
Ah man. Angayenzi lo.
Yes.
Okay. Coming with my very controversial question.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sad food.
Wafuneka abantu basa-understande siselokishini. Speaking on the thing ye-partners ne.
Yeah.
Okay, mhlambe umjita akana black. Yilona ndithi besike sayishukuxa lento kula mhlaba wakho aGlems and Glam.
Yeah.
Athi bikwi-staff meeting khange la ngebhadi
Didn't come to that.
isezawuya futhi because sifuna ne-opinions zamantombazana.
Okay.
Yeah.
So uyajola apha ne intombi yakho ujola nayo but awuna black. How do you handle you not having indawo? Just like your own private space, and it does not actually mean that y'all have to have sexual relations.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It just means downtime, Jay. Like, yes, but anytime
to chill.
before.
Yeah, quality time.
But yabona mna. Thankfully zange ndingabi nayo iblack mna.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nje sendifika kwesi stage ndabe sendinendlu yami.
Hayi.
Yabo sendinendlu yami. But then I think the way it could go around to in that isekile yakho echomi. I think you could talk nechomi. But then at the same time I feel like iyadika la uyangami na black.
Yeah, bro. Yo,
Iyadika.
Okay,
Because
Teta hash.
I can collect that jack, man.
yo mna because I do remember back at PE. Yabo mos ndanhlala no bhuti wami no sister no boyfriend ka sister wami no sister yami. And then like yayingekho indlu engaphandle that bendihlala kuyo.
Yes.
Ndandihlala nabo. I remember there was like times where I was willing to even rent from one of my friends. Tithi ngizokunika 50 rand fethu man kandiboleka indlu for a few hours.
Manje.
Yabo. So I think I don't know mina balekile into bene black noba uzamela amacanci uzakhela black pha emva but
Yeah.
ungabi nayo black na
Why pose ne?
exactly
You
nje
recommend no why pose. Mr. Jack.
Ibikhona ibra we just had a conversation nayo Sunday but I won't mention igama lakhe. So le bra yena ebe inhliziyo yakhe ibuhlungu masongo. Because akana black and he feels like iyayihlisa isidima sakhe.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
There's a level of figure kuso whereby there's a level of figure kuso whereby you have to have indawo.
Yeah.
Now I feel
not
like,
even a level it's like
It's
age
age,
or
yeah.
stage yeah
so now I feel like Nalanda is just putting pressure. Why I have to work funding because kanzotini ngo
but xa ungasebenzi izothini
you have to hustle. It's like this,
I'm not sure.
I always say no one can actually hire you. Zenzela umsebenzi kawukumba izinto just make things happen. You are a man. It is your
exactly yeah
you cute. You can't tell me about okay ngicamile ngoku akutendini. You have to work. It is your cute.
but in like Nina how do you feel guys xa umjita engena black
Ladies.
xa umjita engena black umazi ba
Apho wena Mr. Krish.
umazi ba xa nifuni
Kaloku
xa ufuna niphumile
i-question yami ne. I-question yakho ne. Sayiphendula nini ngolwesine ngo-5.
damn why
Yeah.
hayi bo hayi ayiphendule hayi
Sayiphendula ngo-5.
yaqonda uba ngu-Saturday namhlanje chi
But all I'm saying is that girls don't like it. All I can say ne is that amantombazana don't
Ethanda.
like ukushera ibhedi nomjita wakho onuka ighouse. second, second.
ingadanuka
But kaloku
igazi
you're going to clean the house.
Ewe,
Yeah,
before ufika
ayibuyini.
lokho.
But how many have slept in this bed?
ayeke
Uzoza namashita kaloku
Kukho abantu- kukho
zakhupha
abantu-
amashita
kukho
am
abantu
mna.
abango-
Zakhupha amashita am ngefestire ekhaya. Yebo. Yho,
abalapha bazawuva yonke imimoya ebikhe yalapha uzothini uyoxakane nentombi yakho uzothini
mna
Ithi
ndizokhupha
makubize umntu
amashiti am. Yho.
kanti vele ibuzo
eventually
umzekelo
yes indoda
kweli group.
yayidinga mani play
Yeah, eventually.
Yani
And
lawo,
it's also- it also pushes you to actually hustle.
Yeah.
Under pusher and play.
And also, Leonard said amantombazana do have
But in this case, yima.
no,
But in this case, what if really xa lijikile ufumaniseke uba yintombi eneplek ke kunoba kubanjani? Yho. Ajongani bras, but nyani bras. Xa ufumaniseke uba kule case ba awunayo iplek wena, but
Oh, wait,
intombi
yeah,
yena
yeah,
plek.
yes, yes,
Awuzoyi-enjoya la usoloko umane
no yeah as ibras most yebras I'm not bras most yebras most yebras azi-enjoy la way yotaka yothi azi-enjoy la way soloko udlala awegame ingase Abe home.
ten bejonga ngamehlo taka mabangajongi ngamehlo taka you're just visiting
but kodwa
but ingxaki imnandi like laa nto yakho iplek yentombi.
Yeah,
No, well, yes, I feel like from a guy's perspective, xa black, not that I've been black too.
I have been.
cacile
Mr. Chris, safety yakho.
hey
Xa nikwi-black yakho, you know you can handle whoever comes.
yeah
Naye
But
can
no,
handle.
ukwi-black entombazana, anything is possible.
hey
Hayi kaloku uzazoya ngokwakhe zaziqotha.
Oh, ibosiqotha, hayi.
Aladlala
Yebo.
but kaloku
Uyazifaka
kunyanzelekile
ewardrobe. Yo,
uphakamile.
hayi.
But
Kodwa
kunyanzelekile
nyhani,
uphakamile.
kodwa Chris
Yabo.
naye she can handle
You
abantu
sort your
abafana
things
ngena
out.
bephuma
Always
kwabo.
have amanzi ane-oil abilileyo phaa.
You know
Yeah.
For boy, tumendo ngokwenu.
But yeah man. But ingxaki i-hospitality bakhona xa uye kwiplek yentombazana. Nca.
Yeah,
breakfast
akasebenzi.
type vibe.
Yeah,
Hospitality,
umbone
yo.
phaa.
Lena akasebenzi,
Shushu.
ukungabi host akasebenzi.
Xa iphethuzela ngegawuni phaa. No,
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
speaking
Hayi,
from
hayi.
I'm speaking
Hayi.
from into zasesikolweni
Ah,
andizenzi ezo nto
experience.
ngoku. But xa iphethuza ngegawuni phaa ekuphekele ekuthini wena unqe.
Nice
It's
time.
very
It's
nice.
nice life.
Yeah.
Kanti xa ize kuwe kuzawufuneka ibe ngophithizela.
So, like-
Kano.
So I feel
Unless ke
Yes.
seyiqhelile iplek yakho phaa she's allowed uba aphithizele.
Yeah.
Yabo.
So wena Mr. Chris, do you feel like ungahlalisana?
Oh damn.
You've been
No, the thing is esikolweni
You've been there.
there's
Venere's wife.
sort of because I've had two girls whereby untombazana ifike namhlanje ngolwesine iyogoduka kule veki zayo mhlawumbi ngecawa yabo, so that
Yeah,
did feel like
Ngecawa.
ukuhlalisana.
so phandle umuzwa wami wona yes or no ungahlalisana na?
Ngoku kulona ndinaye ndingahlalisana naye.
Ah, hayi.
Asamlose. Asamlose.
Kulona ndinaye
Dominic
ndingahlalisana naye.
Christopher.
Yabo, so I think at the same time iyadependa ba ngumntu onjani.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yabo, iyadependa ba ngumntu onjani
Awukwazi
oziphethe
uhlala
njani.
emotion.
Yabo, exactly.
Kwazi.
Yabo, awunovela uhlale nomntu ongakliniyo. Phofu it doesn't even matter your clean because senoyenza no two.
Yeah.
Yabo, but then you are lawe, I don't know, it just depends kumntu ba
Uhleli phaa
ngumntu
kulaa
onjani exactly. Yabo,
Ulinde
so
wena ukline
Wena
yonke
wena
into.
uyaxeleka. Wena yasho ungahlalisana?
No, angahlalisana tajeke.
you akasokolisa
Yo,
nesokolisa.
Akasokolisa nosokolisa.
Ongayibeka ipoze yamapheza abalaza ngoku.
Ewe ne.
Sungxama. We are just speaking up. So wena ungahlalisana thina?
Yeah, angahlalisana.
No, I feel like by virtue, there's no need for me to actually repeat and any delay because we're on the same level.
Wena ungahlalisana?
Yes.
Damn.
Yeah, otherwise, guys, it is thank you, Braz, for actually joining us and actually tuning in order for us to discuss these topics as just today. And actually, thanks to a woman to that has watched the episode till the part. Bakhona abantu abathi nje baphinde baphuma.
Yabo.
Noba uyahlalisana naye lusibukele asinancane.
We are happy, man. We are happy. And man, you can hear it to shout out to guys, to all viewers. Oh, for the subscribers. Feel W's.
It's a milestone.
W's, yes, it's a milestone. It's a
Yeah,
milestone.
yeah,
So guys, we are.
Damn.
Yeah,
500 shots, 50 shots. Yeah.
Uzibulala
Uzibulala,
no.
But yeah, guys, thank you. Catch us every Sundays at 6 p.m. Siyazama guys, Cooper Sundays. But guys, thank you so much for tuning in. We love and appreciate you. See you next Sunday. Danko.
Thank you.
Oh, shout out to Miss Bianca behind the scenes. Thank you.